Welcome to the Quantumrun Foresight Platform. In this video, we'll explore one of the key activities you'll perform on the platform, collaborating with your team on the platform's unique project pages to discover and extract practical insights that can support your organization's business objectives. This collaboration activity is at the core of how you use the platform. Once mastered, your team will be able to easily navigate any of the platform's different project types. But before we begin, we encourage your team to first watch the training videos that explain how to bookmark trend content into lists, and how to create projects. You can find these videos in the platform's training directory. In this video, we'll begin with a newly created project page. In this new project page, we'll use the Strategy Planner visualization graph. As you can see, the visualization portion of the project page starts off filled with circles or rectangles that refer to the trend content listed in the left sidebar. In this example, the project page's left sidebar is pre-populated with an imported list of trend posts that we bookmarked before creating this project. You can click on any one of the left sidebar posts to read and comment on the link or text from that post, which will overlap the project page until it's closed. Please note that you can always add your own signal and insight posts to a project by selecting one of the editor forms from the black Project Content drop-down button found in the top left corner of the left sidebar. Also, for privacy reasons, any post you create inside of a project page will only appear in that specific project page and cannot be shared, or migrated, to another project page or made visible to other platform users. From this point, an important element to understand is how the trend posts are distributed on the graph. Very simply, every post on the Quantumrun Foresight platform includes three variables that readers can vote on: what year they think the forecast or trend will begin affecting industry, or the world; the likelihood that the forecast or trend will become a reality; and its impact on industry or the world. The averaged vote scores from all these readers, or the wisdom of the crowd, then determine where on the project a trend post will appear. However, for many teams, the averaged votes from the platform's users may not align with perspectives or realities from inside their respective organizations. In this scenario, Quantumrun recommends deactivating the toggle found at the top of your project's left sidebar. By deactivating this toggle, the project page will switch from presenting the posts using the platform's collective votes to only presenting the posts using your team's averaged votes. Initially, this will mean that your team's project page will appear empty. To fill it up again, your team needs to start opening each of the posts listed in the left sidebar. As you scroll down, you will find a ranking box where members of your team, who have been given editor access to this project, can take turns ranking trend content according to the following categories: what year they think the forecast or trend will begin affecting industry, or the world, or your specific organization; the likelihood that the forecast or trend will impact your organization, and its impact on industry or its relevance to your organization. Each team member can view the team's average vote score after they press the Apply Ratings button. The second column will display the average vote score collected from all registered platform users, outside of your organization, who have access to the selected post. Many organizations find this voting interface useful because it allows them to conduct anonymous team voting on various topics. It also allows them to compare their team's votes against the collective wisdom of the crowd. Large differences between the two columns can lead to qualitative insights about how a given trend should be assessed, or it can indicate areas for additional research. Finally, below the Apply Ratings button, will be a list of team members whose votes are still pending. Important note: after each vote by a team member, the average vote score will change, meaning that the trend post being voted on will appear to change position on the graph after each person adds their vote. However, each post will settle on a final position after all team members contribute their votes. Overall, depending on the size of your team and the number of trend posts listed in your project's left sidebar, this initial team collaboration or voting exercise can take 20 to 30 minutes, on average. If you're using a project page by yourself, the voting process can be much faster. Once complete, the Quantumrun Foresight platform will visualize your bookmarked trend content in ways that can allow your team to quickly spot patterns that can generate practical business insights. And depending on which type of project page you select, be it the Strategy Planner, the Scenario Composer, the Ideation Engine, and other future options. Each will enable your team to analyze your bookmark trend content from a variety of different perspectives. And there you have it. You now know how to collaborate with your team to populate your project pages with the trend content you find on the Quantumrun Foresight platform. We encourage you to schedule a training session with one of Quantumrun Foresight's training reps if you have any questions about the overview you just saw. You can also visit our support page for more tips and videos to learn how to use this platform's full suite of tools.